Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a strategy on how you can catch spike on boom and crash. So this strategy is what we call the TDI strategy. Previously I've made a video on how you can use TDI to trade, to catch spike, and I've done how you can use it to trade reversal. But today there's going to be a small review on how you can trade with TDI and how you can catch spikes on TDI. Right. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content. Now basically now with the TDI, what we use the TDI for, TDI is a powerful indicator that we use, and it's still one of the best leading indicator. We have lagging indicator and we have leading indicator. What we mean by lagging indicator that repeats, in the sense that they tend to change with just a little difference on price. Any changes in the price, there will be changes on the internal. So this kind of indicator are what we call the lagging indicator. Right? And this lagging indicator now are not effective. But as far as boom and crash is concerned, TDI still remain the most powerful tools you can use to trade spike. Right? So I'm going to be taking you from the beginning on how you tend to look at for your setups, and how you can how you can catch spikes with the TDI. Right? If there's any other thing you want me to talk about, please do to drop a comment on the comment sections. And if you need any question, you can actually ask me in the video. I will definitely respond. So I don't want to waste your time, as it's going to be a very concise one. You can actually see is a live account. So that's that on that. Right. So what we need to do is that now you need to go to your higher time frame. Right, higher time frame, and you would tend to combine it with your Fibonacci. Right, for Fibonacci now, when you combine with Fibonacci, now what you are using your Fibonacci for is that you are just using the Fibonacci. Right, now look at, now you measure the last swing that you have. Right, measure the last swing that you have in the market. So you can actually see that currently where my entry was, I was already at I've gone beyond the equilibrium. Now what you are using the Fibonacci for is that Fibonacci now, basically you are going to have we have two sections. So let's say we have it like this. So you divide it's going to divide your trend into two. This is the premium, this is the discount. Now for effective use of this strategy, anytime you want to catch spike on crash 500 or crash 1000, right, make sure your the last swing that you measure, the price is currently at premium. Right, at premium, this is where you can get an accurate and effective spike. Right, so ensure price is at your premium. So you can see very well now, this is my equilibrium here. Right, this is my equilibrium here. Right, and anything above here now is my premium. So my entry can be this. So once I'm able to frame this setup, now what I will now do is that I will now go back and go and mark my order block. In the last video that I posted, I did talk about how you can mark an order block, what condition you should look out for on order block, so that your order block will not be will be a valid one, and it's not going to be the one that you're going to respect. Now there's one particular or distinct thing with crash and boom and crash. Now the order block there is have a little bit, it's more like it advanced. There are some things you need to consider when marking your order blocks on crash and boom. If you actually want me to make a videos on how you can mark an effective and accurate a perfect order block that you can start trading the spike on boom and crash, drop in the comment section comment in the comment section that you need the crash and boom and crash order block video, and once I get like 50 or meaningful response, I'm going to upload the video. Right, so make sure you are buying, you are selling at premium. That is how you can have an effective spike. Now once you've marked your order block, right, once you've marked your order block, now we can go on lower time frame now. So once I make my order block, I tend to delete this, so I will delete this. Right, so now once you've marked your order block, it's now left for you to re-strategize again. So you go down to your lower time frame. Right, you go down to your lower time frame. Right, so now when you go down to your lower time frame, what you'll be looking at for now is that you need to look out for what we call it shark fin. Right, shark fin. Now what we mean by shark fin is that, now look at this. You can see that it's outside the Bollinger Band here. That it's outside this Bollinger Band here. So once it's outside this Bollinger, that's what we call shark fin. Now look at you can see that this corresponds with this first leg. Right, now the second one, now you want price to come down. Now it has gone outside this volatility band, right? But now the confirmation that you need now is that you need price to come inside back into this range, right? Inside back in this range. So once you have it now take notes. Now your yellow moving average in this indicator here, right, in this our TDI, has to be at the 68 level or 63 level. Take notes, it has to be at 68 level or 63 level. And the green moving average now, which is our fast moving average, has to be, now you must have it must align like this. You have the yellow, followed by the green, then followed by the red. So once you have this confirmation, now you are sure that you are going to catch the spike. You can see that I just have little or no drawdown. It very what we call a sniper entry. A sniper entry spike trading, right? A sniper entry spike trading, right? So that's how you get your confirmation. Right, so I'm going to be sharing the settings now. Let me share the settings of the indicator, because I don't want it to be too long. Right, you can see that I have little or no draw down. We've gotten another spike. See just how many sniper, just 2 pips. It's not even up to 2 pips. Right, 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 so that is what we call the sniper entry strategy, on how you can use the TDI to trade spike. Now this video is mainly for crash. It works perfectly on crash 500, crash 1000, crash 300. Now if you need the video for boom, you can actually drop in the comment section that you need the video on boom, how to use TDI to catch spike on boom, and I'm going to make the videos. Right, please do well to subscribe, like, and share, as we are entering December period, the festive period. We all need to reanalyze our pockets, in the sense that we need to be profitable. Right, so on that note, I've decided to open a signal group. So do well to check in the video description. You'll find my WhatsApp number or my Telegram number. You can chat me up there. And for those of you that have my number saved already, you can actually see that we do have pre-analysis every Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday. If you want to join the pre-analysis class, the pre-session analysis, that will draw our focus before the session starts, and at the end of the day we'll still do a trade recap. Right, so guys, that is how you can catch spike on boom and crash. See you